Which of these surprised you the most? Don't forget your answer. We'll ask again at the end. Keep your brain healthy. Healthy foods, exercise, reading, hydration, quality sleep, and social interaction appear around a glowing brain. Narrator: want a stronger brain? Sleep at least 7 to 9 hours. Exercise regularly. Eat foods rich in healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and fish. Keep learning. Read books. Challenge yourself with puzzles. Stay socially connected.
86 billion messengers. Billions of glowing neurons connect like stars across a galaxy. Narrator: inside your brain live approximately 86 billion neurons. Each neuron is like a tiny electrical messenger. Together, they create a communication network so enormous that scientists compare it to the entire universe. Amazing fact number 2. If you stretched all the blood vessels in your brain end to end, they would extend for hundreds of kilometers. Imagine that hidden inside your head. How neurons talk. A close-up animation shows electrical impulses traveling between neurons across synapses using glowing neurotransmitters. Narrator: every thought, every memory, every movement begins with electrical signals jumping from one neuron to another. These tiny gaps are called synapses. Special chemicals known as neurotransmitters carry messages across these gaps in a fraction of a second. This astonishing communication happens trillions of times every single day. Memory. A young student studying. The brain lights up while memories appear as glowing photo albums. Narrator: have you ever wondered where your childhood memories are stored? They aren't kept in one place. Instead, memories are spread across different regions of the brain, connected like pieces of a giant puzzle. Every time you remember something, your brain actually rebuilds that memory. That's why memories can change over time.
Why we dream. A sleeping person surrounded by colorful dream scenes that transform into stars and galaxies. Narrator: dreaming remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Some researchers believe dreams help organize memories. Others think dreams prepare us for future situations. Whatever the answer, your brain is incredibly active while you sleep. It is never truly off. Can the brain heal? Damaged neurons slowly reconnect and glow brighter. Narrator: for many years, scientists believed the brain could never repair itself, but they were wrong. The brain has an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. It can build new pathways, learn new skills, and adapt after injury. That's one reason people can recover from strokes and brain injuries with rehabilitation. Brain myths. Myth stamps appear over common claims such as, you only use 10% of your brain. Narrator: let's bust some popular myths. Myth: humans use only 10% of their brains. Truth: brain scans show that nearly every region of the brain is active throughout the day. The 10% myth is simply false. Amazing facts. Montage with icons and animated graphics. Narrator: did you know? Your brain is about 60% fat. Brain tissue itself cannot feel pain. It contains around 86 billion neurons. New connections form whenever you learn something new. Reading regularly strengthens neural pathways. Exercise improves memory by increasing blood flow to the brain. Chronic stress can shrink areas involved in memory. Laughter activates multiple brain regions at once. Music can stimulate emotion, memory, and movement simultaneously. Your brain can recognize familiar faces in milliseconds. Which of these surprised you the most? Don't forget your answer. We'll ask again at the end. Keep your brain healthy. Healthy foods, exercise, reading, hydration, quality sleep, and social interaction appear around a glowing brain. Narrator: want a stronger brain? Sleep at least 7 to 9 hours. Exercise regularly. Eat foods rich in healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and fish. Keep learning. Read books. Challenge yourself with puzzles. Stay socially connected. Your brain changes throughout your life, and your daily habits shape those changes. Scene 14. The final fact. Visual prompt. The glowing brain transforms into a universe filled with stars. Narrator: remember when we promised one final astonishing fact? Here it is. Scientists estimate that the number of possible connections inside the human brain is greater than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. That means every human mind is truly unique. No one has ever had a brain exactly like yours. Inside your head is one of the rarest and most extraordinary creations known to science. Outro and call to action. Narrator. The human brain isn't just an organ, it's the control center of your entire life. Every thought, every memory, every dream, every decision begins here. If you enjoyed this journey into the amazing world of the brain, make sure to subscribe to Human Anatomy for more fascinating adventures inside the human body. Give this video a like if you learned something new today, and tell us in the comments which brain fact amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Human Anatomy episode.